Today I will show you total 12 colleges notification for the post of teaching as well as like non-teaching staff recruitment. Okay, so this video will be little bit longer, and today I also show you some of central university recruitment like various NITS. Okay, let's start with that first college, that Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta Institute of Technology and Management. Okay, so required professor, associate professor, assistant professor, preferably PhD for the following program or courses: that CSE, IT, ECE, CVE, ME, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, AI and DS, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, English, MBA, BBA. Also requirement lab technicians, that CSE, IT, ECE, ME, Civil, Physics, Chemistry, AI, ML, AIDS. So qualifications and experiences as per AICTE norms. Eligible candidates may apply with their latest CV and photograph within 10 days at this email ID. Okay. Now coming to the next notification, that is Sanakar Educational Trust Group of Institutions, Durgapur. So principal in the Department of Pharmacy, Agriculture and Planning, Dean, Associate Dean, Assistant Dean, and Professor, Associate Professor in the Department of EE, CSE, Architecture and Pharmacy. So in this department they are required only Associate Professor as well as Professor. Okay. So application fulfill the requirement criteria should mail their resume along with the supporting testimonials within 7 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. So if you want more details, just dial this number. Okay. Now coming to the next notification, that is Kingston Educational Institute. So here lots of colleges are there inside the Kingston Educational Institute, that Kingston Law College, Kingston Teaching Training College, Kingston Polytechnic College, Kingston School of Management Science, Kingston College of Science. Okay, so here you can see the vacancies and their specialization. So also requirement grooming faculty, MA in English or Master in Mass Communication and Journalism with 5 years experiences. So here are the requirements, some experiences. For principal HOD minimum 10 years, professor lecturer minimum 8 years, for assistant professor, assistant lecturer minimum 7 years, for technical assistant minimum 3 years, and qualification as per university. So here also vacancy for the administrative post like HR, IT executive, training placement officer. Okay, so interested person are requested to send their resume by email, mention the post applied for in the subject and body of the email. So these are the email, here are their contact number, and you have to remember the last date is 30 July 2021. Okay. Now coming to the next college's notification, that embarking on a new journey design school in Kolkata. Okay, so basically they are requirement that head professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor. So PhD, MDes or equivalent in design or related subject with minimum 15 years of experiences. So interested candidates are requested to apply to design editor of heritage.edu within 7 days from the publication of the advertisement. So basically this advertisement came from Heritage Institute of Technology that's situated in Kolkata. Okay, so they are requirement professor, associate professor in the department. For more information, just go to their official college website. Okay. Now coming to the next college's notification, that requirement, that Pathfinder Higher Secondary Public School. Okay, so here guiding student for board and competitive examination. Their centers are located in Kolkata, Durgapur, Siliguri, Berhampur, Midnapur. So here are the application for the teaching in charge, business development management, academic counselor, HR manager. So here you can see all their requirement as well as their experiences. So for interview through video conference, interested candidate can send their resume this email ID, and if you want more details, just dial this number. Okay. Now coming to that sixth notification, that Sriveni Vasa Engineering College. So this is wanted for the assistant professor in the Department of English, Physics, Chemistry, Agriculture, Biomedical, Computer, Electrical, Mechanical. So here are the corresponding their qualifications, and also require physical directors. So interested candidates may apply to this email ID and send application to the honorable chairperson this college. Okay, on or before 31st July 2021. So if you want more details, just dial their number and tell about if you have any inquiry regarding that notifications. Okay. To the next college's notification, that is National Institute of Technology Patna. Okay, so here the advertised number, here you can see. So basically the walk-in interview for the requirement of temporary faculty in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering will be held as per schedule given below. Okay, the prescribed application form is available on their website nitp.ac.in. So here you can see, here are the department Computer Science Engineering. This is basically walk-in interview that will be held on NIT Patna main building, and date of interview is 6th August 2021. Reporting time is 9 p.m. So here are the applicant who are in the permanent employee of government or government undertaking autonomous body must bring the NOC. Okay, and qualification, the candidate shall have PhD degree in relevant or equivalent discipline with first class in UG PG. Is specifically not mentioned by the institute, then 60% marks, 6.5 CGPA. The candidate who has submitted their thesis, PhD thesis, may also apply. So consolidated up to rupees 50,000 per month or inclusive. Okay. Now coming to the next college's notification, this is also from NIT. This is basically NIT Calicut. So an online interview for the engagement of a guest faculty on contract basis and a lab engineer on contract basis for a research project in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Okay, so this is basically NIT Calicut is scheduled on 29th July 2021. Duration of engagement till 13th November 2000, purely on contract basis. Okay, so here are the name of the project, here are the guest faculty also. Monthly stipend 40,000. Here are the qualification. Here are the lab engineer. The monthly fellowship 34,000. Here are the qualification experiences. And how to apply? Just go to their official website and apply. So last date of the receiving submission of the online application is 26th July 2021 at 4 p.m. Okay. Now coming to the next college's notification, that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology. So this is also basically walk-in interview. The notification came on 17 July 2021. So here are the available the department, that agriculture, English, library science, okay, English, ergonomy, electrical engineering, food processing, physical education, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, farm machinery, mathematics. So here are the corresponding their vacancies. Total number of vacancies 13. Here are the qualifications. Here are the fixed amount and the date of interview. So each department has different date. So just see their notifications. Okay. Now coming to the next college's notification. This is also from NIT, and this is basically NIT Sikkim. That notification came on 21st July 2021. So requirement of teaching cum technical assistant on purely contractual basis and NIT Sikkim. So application invited from eligible candidate for filling up 2 posts on purely contractual basis on mentioned below. So teaching cum technical assistant, mechanical engineering department and civil engineering, number of vacancy 1 on total 2. Here are the criteria and the job description. You just read that notifications. So candidates are requested to apply online using this link on or before 31st July 2021. This service will be initially for 6 months and may be extended based on satisfactory performance of the candidate. Okay. The interview and examination date and venue will be communicated to the solicitor candidate through email. All communications shall be through institute website and email. Okay, you have to remember the last date is 31st July. Only 2 vacancy in the Department of Mechanical 1 and the Civil Engineering 1 vacancy. Okay. Now coming to the next colleges, that this is also from NIT, that NIT Jalandhar. Okay. So online applications are invited along with the supporting documents for requirement of guest faculty on contractual basis. Okay. So this is basically department, electrical engineering department, number of position 3, computer science engineering 4, IT 5, biotechnology 3, electrical and communication 2, civil engineering 3. Here are the qualification, MTech, BTech with first division and PhD in relevant discipline. Now coming to the mathematics, number of vacancy 4, humanities and management, number of vacancy 3. So you have to remember the last date of submission along with the supporting documents is 29th July 2021. Okay, so candidate advised to visit the institute website regularly for date of interview or any other relevant information in the regard. Okay, just go to their official website and then go to their career sections and just apply as soon as possible. Now coming to the last college's notification, that Manipal Tata Medical College, Jamshedpur, faculty and residential position. So here are the department along with their designations, that pathology, psychology, microbiology, okay, and senior residents, dermatologist, radiodiagnosis, eligible as per NMC norms. So interested and eligible candidate may apply with a detailed CV including the certificate in supporting qualification experience, a list of publication on or before July 24 to this email ID. So today is the last date. Just go to when you see that notification, just apply as soon as possible. So if you want more notification like that, just like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want more query, just comment on the below video section and I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.